Project energy settings provide a way for you to control how the energy model for your project is initially rationalized. Project level controls create a basic energy model which can then be customized to match specific project requirements. On the Analyze tab, click Energy Settings. The mode setting is the most important setting. It controls what geometry will be used for analysis. If your model does not contain conceptual masses, set mode to use building elements. The other two modes are used when you have conceptual mass elements modeled and want to include them in the energy analysis. In this case, our model has both building elements and conceptual masses representing the possible additions, so use conceptual masses and building elements is selected. In most cases, the default settings for the other parameters will produce an accurate energy model. Space resolution and surface resolution settings affect the way spaces and surfaces are broken up for analysis. Higher resolution may produce more accurate results, but can affect processing time to create and analyze the energy model. In most cases, the default value will produce accurate results balanced with good performance. We suggest changing these only when you have a specific requirement. Perimeter zone depth and perimeter zone division settings are specifically related to conceptual masses in the analysis. They control how the masses are broken up into analytical spaces in the model. Under the Advanced heading, click Edit to change additional settings. In most cases, you don't need to make changes to the advanced settings. The Detailed Model section adds additional settings to control the opening conditions of analytical spaces in the model. For example, changing the target percentage glazing parameter increases the size of the openings of the analytical model. Use a building type that matches your building as close as possible. Set the assumed operating schedule and the HVAC information. Use material and thermal properties to control the assumed construction of building elements, such as walls and windows. By checking detailed elements, the actual thermal properties of the materials used in the Revit families will be used. Conceptual types will still be used for conceptual massing elements in your model. Use the Energy Settings dialog to establish basic assumptions about your building's energy performance at the project level.